Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for golf enthusiasts and parents alike, the Guiseapue Stroller Cup Holder with Phone Holder. This isn't just any cup holder. It's touted as the best cup holder for golf pushcarts on the market. Let's find out why. Whether you're out on the green or strolling with your little ones, having a reliable cup holder is essential. The Guiseapue cup holder promises not only to securely hold your beverage but also to keep your phone conveniently within reach. Let's start with its design and features. Made from durable silicone, this holder is built to last. It's compatible with a wide range of strollers and pushcarts, including popular brands like Guiseapue and Nuna. The adjustable clip ensures it fits securely on different handlebar sizes, from strollers to golf pushcarts. Imagine having your drink and phone right where you need them. Whether you're taking a leisurely walk, navigating the golf course, or even shopping with a stroller. The Guiseapue cup holder enhances convenience and accessibility wherever you go. While there are other cup holders out there, what sets the Guiseapue apart is its combination of sturdy build quality, versatile compatibility, and the added benefit of a phone holder. It's designed not just for functionality but also for durability, which is crucial for outdoor use. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a reliable cup holder that also accommodates your phone, look no further than the Guiseapue Stroller Cup Holder with Phone Holder. It's designed to enhance your outdoor experience. Whether you're on a stroll, hitting the links, or simply out and about with your little ones. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this cup holder or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.